Welt pocket or bound pocket comes in several variations. We have the single mouth and the double mouth. In this video, we are doing the single mouth. To start, you cut 7 by 20 inches. Then you have your 5 by 7 inches. So you then interface the wrong side of the longer one. After interfacing, that's the long one. After interfacing this one, the long one, you fold this way. You fold, let's say, 1 inch and iron. Then you turn and mark at the folded area half of an inch this way. You place this one aside. Take the smaller one, that's a 5 by 7, and also interface it as well. You interface one side and press. After pressing that one, you don't fold, just leave it this way. Then now you take, let's say, your trouser. This is the crouch area, this is the waist area, this is the side. Your trouser having your dart inside. So after this, having this, you want to do a welt pocket at the back of the trouser. You rule a straight line here. In order to get a straight line, you can put the edge of the ruler of a straight edge right on the line of the dart, and you can have a straight edge here. So you draw this one, then after you continue with the rest. So after having this, we want the length of our pocket to be 5 inches. So you mark here 2.5, 2.5 this way. Then after, we extend our lines this way. So now let's pick this and that, and let's go to our sewing machine. So when we come to our sewing machine, we have it like this, but you know this top part is the waist area, this is the down area. You turn this way. Make sure this line falls here this way. Make sure you have some excesses at the sides this way. Then now you stitch. You start from where the line is. And end at where the line is. Cut it off. So this one flips and goes this way. You flip it this way. Take the smaller one. That one, so you mark half of an inch here. Place that one right at where you stitched. This one to this way. And make sure you raise this and check where you started this one from, and start from that end. And also you raise this one, and also and that's where this one also ended. Do your back stitch. So after we have the back like this one like this way, and this way. So now let's do our cutting. You cut this way. Before you get to the end, you cut this way, 1/2 inches to the end. You go diagonal this way, the same applies to this side. Come here, do the same thing, 1/2 inches to the end. You cut diagonally to the tip. Don't be scared when cutting, just be careful it doesn't go through. It should end at where the stitch is. After cutting, now we'll take to our ironing table. So when we come to our ironing table, we have the whole thing looking like this. Then now you take these two, push this here, take this and push this one through here, and bring both of them here this way. So you now have it like this. We push from here to this side. So you have it like this. Flip this one this way and press. Come to the right side. You press also this way. Then you push these things here. You push it back here. You push this one too back there. Press again. So after pressing, you get 2 pins. Pin it this way to make it stable before we stitch the back. So we pin this way. We have the back, the smaller one, and the longer one. After you turn this way, fold this very one, 1/2 inch. Press. You take the bigger one and cover it with this to enter into the waist this way, and press that one too as well. So after doing this, take a hemming gun or fusible web. Take small, place it at a smaller one, this one here, this way. Leave a portion here and cover with this one, and then iron. To hold it together, to hold this and this together like this, to hold it together. So now we'll go to the machine and now we stitch here. When we come to the machine, we have it looking like this way. Here we will stitch this. So after stitching this part, our whole pocket looks like this. We place it this way, and now we raise this. We raise it this way and stitch this very part. So we come to the other side too as well. and also stitch this part. You can cut the excesses off. After you do knitting, cut the excesses off. You can knit here and also knit here. So you take your pins off. Now you press.